Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna be drinking with Gina. Alright, so if you checked out my last video, I promised you a nice drink that I had for you. It's gonna take me back to, well, at least I know when I was a kid. I mean, if you're a kid from the 80s, you're gonna remember this. So, I mean, like, who doesn't remember hanging out at the baseball games, going up to the snack bar, picking out your favorite candies? Well, you know, mine were the Now and Laters. I loved Now and Laters when I was a kid. But I'm going to make you a cocktail that tastes just like a banana Now and Later. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. There's so many good things in it. So, from that spiced rum, the banana, the nuts, that creamy pina colada mix. I love it. Oh, can't forget the sweet and sour, just like Jen and Gina. Sweet and sour, so good. So let's begin making this delicious cocktail. Okay, to begin, we'll be using a ½ ounce of Captain Morgan spiced rum, 1 ounce of 99 bananas, 1 ounce of 99 coconuts, 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix, and last we'll be adding in 1 ounce of your favorite pina colada mix. Then go ahead and make sure to shake it up real good. Okay, so I know I'm ready. Are you ready for this amazing taste time of this cocktail? So good. Love it. It literally tastes like a banana Now and Later. I mean, let's have some now, we'll have some later. Love it. All right, guys. So, if you want to try this drink out, you're gonna have to make it. I'm gonna have a full description in my drop-down menu, everything you're gonna need to make this cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. There's also a little bell. Click it so you can get all my next videos. Don't also forget to check out all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. I got it all. It's the Jen and Gina Show. Also, don't forget to check out my next video, guys. See you soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number one, why not? But number two, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.